Hi ladies, I am so sorry about the glitching issues. Hopefully this video will help clarify some of the questions you might have. So here we go. If you look at the worksheet you have due on Wednesday, this one about the how to say I am from this country or you are from this country. We're gonna start here in this table. Yo soy, I am, tú eres, you are, he is or she is, él es, ella es, usted es. Nosotros somos, ellos son, ellas son, ustedes son. It's the same thing that we had in our notes that we took earlier. So how does this activity work? One, you need your textbook, because in your textbooks towards the front you're gonna find a map, and let me pull it up here so I can show you how the map looks. It's a big map. You have the map of the whole world. You have the map of Central America. And then you have the map of South America and Spain, and as it's the only European country that speaks Spanish. So why is this map important? Because you can find the names written in Spanish. The second thing you're going to need for this activity, if you scroll down underneath activity A, there is another map that has numbers. The numbers are important because it tells you what country to write in this second line. So let's work with the first example. For example, the first one says, Yo soy de Guatemala. I am from Guatemala. How do I know which country was to write in there? Because it's number 12. If you go to your map, it's here, number 12, and then you look at it in your map here for Central America, and it says Guatemala. So let's start with activity A. So it says, look at the map and complete each sentence telling where the people are from. So the first one says she, and so we want to say she is, ella. And then we look at our table here. Ella is S. So we're going to type here S. And then she is from, ella is the number 2. So we're going to look at the map. Map. And here, number 2. And number 2 is that country I just told you is the only country in Europe that speaks Spanish. Country, it's right here in your map. In English, we call it Spain, but if you look at your map, the name is written there in Spanish. So you're gonna say that is España. So the next one, yo. So it means that you wanna say I am from. So how do you say am? You look up your table here. Am. Soy. So you come back here and type soy. The 19. So again, you look back down for the country. We're gonna look for 19. 19 is this country up top. If you don't know what it is, look at your map. But I can tell you it's Mexico. So you're gonna type Mexico. So now the sentence says, I am from Mexico. Number 3, it says they are, right? They, and then we want to write are here. So we look up our notes, and they are is spelled son. So we go back here and type son. They are from country number 5. If we scroll down to the map and look for 5. Where is 5? Oh, 5 is this big country over here. So go to your map in the book and read what the name of the country is. I know what it is, so I'm gonna type it here. Argentina. So you're gonna go through these options like this. This activity, all A and B, it's over here, are due Wednesday. What is due today? What you have, page 2 from your packet, the one that starts with your aunt and uncle, 7 to 12, yeah, their numbers, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 12. And then the next page, it has Nicolás y Martín all the way to 6. Those 2 pages are the homework for today. If you have your packet, you may answer in your packet. If not, you can print them or answer in a piece of paper. We will check that on Thursday, okay? Okay, ladies, send me an email, or if you have questions, my office hours are tomorrow from 10 to 12. 10 to 12. Please, please, please come see me if you have questions. I'll